Hi lovelies, welcome back to our channel. Now we'll be showing you our best dress, which is one of our party dress collection. So let's get started. So this is our party dress which we have bought from Myntra. The best part of this dress is it's quite soft, it's synthetic, and you can wear this dress in two ways. It can be a off-shoulder dress. As you can see, our model is wearing it in a off shoulder way, or if you want, you can pull up the sleeves and it will be converted into a new way of dress. And you want to know the price? It's 896 guys, 1896. I'm sorry, it's 1896. You can avail this dress from Myntra for 1896. I will be showing you one of my new collection which I have got from Urbanic. It's a yellow dress. I have got this dress for somewhere around 1500. It's a beautiful yellow dress. You can wear this dress in the summer 2022 and see how pretty this dress is. You can wear this dress and pair it up and add this dress in your collection. See how beautiful this dress is. It's a soft fabric. It's a satin dress with a hollow neck, and it's a cut sleeve dress. You can add great pair of pumps and a little bit of makeup. You are good to go.